high from being stuck at home, and not really just because of coronavirus, but as you can see, it is snowing like crazy here right now. It's this nice sticky snow, so I can make snowballs. And the dogs are having fun here right now. I probably just want to take you on a short walk through our winter wonderland. Hi, Mr. Snowman. You gained some weight. When you live here, you almost have to love the snow. Not almost, you have to love the snow. Everything is covered in snow from end of October through April. Well, more or less, it depends. So it's almost 6 months when our world is white. We absolutely love it. It's so peaceful. Everything is quiet. And you can almost forget the world around you with all the problems, which right now it's exactly what we want to do. Come on a snow walk with me.